Hey Prasad, good evening. Quickly turn on your camera, Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead with your introduction.
Um, my name is Prasad Tube. I am from Chalisgaon, district Jalgaon. I am complete in my graduation, BTech Food Technology. Then I am doing an MBA in marketing. I am recently living in Pune right now. That's it, sir.
Okay, great. So, so for automation, which technologies have you used actually?
In automations technology, Playwright technology used in for automations.
Sorry, come again. What did you say?
Uh, Using the Playwright, sir.
Okay, Playwright you used. Okay, okay, fine. Um, great. So, can you please tell me what is the difference between undefined and null in TypeScript?
Yes, sir. Null is the in a variable. We are intentionally uh, null defined as an null, and undefined. It's mean um we are don't know about the which type of the data, and any means we are the define the any type of the data like the string, booleans, numbers like that. So
Are you sure about this?
yes, sir.
Okay. Let me jump on the next question. What is meant by the symbol data type in TypeScript?
In a symbol, it is the sorry, sir. I don't remember right now.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump on the next question. What is a strict operator in TypeScript?
Strict operator.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Uh, can you please tell me what is the what are the oops concepts do we have in TypeScript?
It's a OOPS concept. It's widely adopted in software development. So it used for the code reusability, bind the hiding the data, and for security purposes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but what are the oops pillar do we have?
There are the four pillars: inheritance, encapsulations, abstractions, and polymorphisms.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
In a polymorphism, there are the two types: method overloading and overriding. Overloading is the same data, same method with different data type, and method overriding is the same method with same data type.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me what is the, okay. What is the difference between abstraction and abstract class and interface in TypeScript?
Um, Abstractions, in abstraction, we are the hide the implementations, only showing the essentials for
Mm-hmm.
and abstraction is the 0 to 100% hide the data, and interface is the 100% hiding the implementations. Interface is the blueprint. It is its blueprint,
Mm-hmm. What else?
and interface we are the actually accessing the data in the getter and setter methods.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me how we can define a custom exception in TypeScript?
Using by the try, catch, and throw block throws.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me what is the difference between array and tuple in TypeScript?
Array is the store the multiple type of the values, and tuple is the fixed it's store of the fixed values.
Mm-hmm.
In a array, order is not important, but in a tuple is order in important.
Mm-hmm. Any other thing?
In a in array we are the store the different type of the data, but in a tuple we are store the same type of data.
Okay. What is a backsticks in a string?
So don't know about this.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump to the next question. Can you please tell me what is the difference between where, late, and const keyword?
uh, there it is the uh, where is the where is the uh, it is a function scope, but late is the using by the block scope, and const also using the block scope. In a where hosting is the allowed, but late and const is it is not to allowed to hostings, and in a in where declarations and redeclarations, and lates is allowed to declarations, and const is not allowed declarations in a const. It is a const is the store of the fixed variable values,
Mm-hmm.
and in a late we are changing the variable values of reassigning.
Okay, okay, all right. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me what is a hoisted in TypeScript?
Uh, in a hosted is the we are firstly uh, call about the we are the call about before the declarations.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me what is the what is an architecture of Playwright?
It's a Playwright architecture. In it is in Node.js, package JSONs, test files. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
that's it, sir.
Only these things. Okay.
I don't
No
know.
problem. Okay. What kind of locators are available in Playwright?
There are the basic locator in like the ID, class, CSS, place, sorry, CSS, about the text, alt locators like that, locators available in the Playwright. So,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Fine. Can you please tell me what is the if you want to select the particular locator based on the particular indexed, how we can select in Playwright?
yes, can you repeat again?
Suppose we have a multiple matches of the locator, how we can select that locator?
Sir, it is using by the extract relatives.
Okay. Any other way?
Uh, I don't remember right now, sir, but that is the using by extract relative locator, sir.
No problem. Let me jump on the next question. Can you please tell me, okay, how we can, handle the or how we can select the multiple options from a drop down in Playwright?
Uh, Using by the drop down method, sir.
What are those drop down method?
Sir, that is not to prepare by me.
No worry. Let me jump on the next question. How we can handle the mouse over actions in a Playwright?
That is also not, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me jump on the next question. How we can handle the alert in a Playwright?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me jump on the text framework. Can you please tell me what is a playwright.config file we have?
Uh, it's a define in a config file is the define about the our project uh, structures, how to run, which browser, which worker we are using. It is the partial running and uh, all full partial running. They are all defined in the config files, like the take the screenshot, videos, reports. That type we are defined in the TS config files.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. What are the components we can set it in a playwright.config file?
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Okay. Can you please tell me what are the hooks we have in Playwright?
Sir, that is also not prepared.
Okay, no problem. Can you please tell me what is the hierarchy of the annotations in Playwright?
No, sir.
Okay. How we can handle the test data in a Playwright?
No, sir.
Okay. Um, okay. Let me jump on the API testing. What is the difference between put and post in API testing?
Post is the creating the new data, and put uh, it's update the data.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay. If we are trying to, whatever data we are trying to update, if that data is not appeared there, if that data is not available there, then what is an actionable item for you?
Uh, Sir, repeat again.
If we are whatever things we are trying to update with an put method, but it is not like we that data is not available over the server, then how we can do?
Yes, got it, sir.
Mm-hmm.
It's a create the new data.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Let me jump on the another topic. What are the day-to-day command usually you are using? Git command day-to-day basis you are using for your automation?
No,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. How we can schedule the particular Jenkins jobs on the particular time?
Actually, Jenkins, I'm not preparing with my section.
Okay, okay. All right. I think I'm pretty much good from my side. Let me start the feedback as well, Prasad. As you all realize, ki you have to prepare well. Actually, you are lagging everywhere. From an first questions actually, which I asked to you, the difference between null and undefined. So null, like whenever we have to define intentionally, that time null we have to use. But if you talked about undefined, it means when we are not declaring any value to the variable, that time you will get undefined. So
Yes, sir.
this is a different thing. And whatever answers you gave, that is for any data type. So that is a different one. This is the first thing we have. If then I asked to you about the oops concepts. So basically we have a four major oops concepts. So whenever anyone is asking to you about the oops concepts, you have to tell them the things in detail. What are the oops concepts we have? What are the inheritance? What are the polymorphism? What are the abstraction? What are the encapsulation? What are their types? Their basic definition and their types. At least you have to tell. Then I ask you the difference between method overloading and method overriding. So there as well, you have to give the proper difference. Difference, it means we should not give only definition of that topic. Yes, you have to give the definition, but apart from it, you have to explain it properly. What exactly different? At least two to three, four differences you have to tell.
Got it.
Then I asked to you the difference between var, late, and cons. So you have to give the proper differences. Then there is also you are quite lagging. I ask you the what is a hoisted. So hoisted is nothing but like whenever we are declaring, we are accessing one of the variable, which is before declaring we are trying to access. So so that time hoisted we have hoisted working in the different like it is behavior is completely different for different variable. For const, for var, for late, we have a different things we have. Then another questions basically I asked to you the difference between array and tuple. Again, you have to tell me the proper differences, what exactly differences we have. At least three four differences is expected here. Okay, then I asked to you the another question also I asked to you about the playwright architecture. So playwright architecture is again different. So that also you have to explain it properly. We are writing down the code into the playwright libraries. Then we are sending requests to the playwright MCP server. Whenever we are sending requests to the playwright MCP server, we are using website WebSocket protocol we are using there. So that you have to tell them, and that request goes to the your real browser. This is what you have to explain it properly. Okay, then just do the practice properly over the how to handle the drop down, how to handle the alert, how to take a screenshot, how we can perform the keyboard by action. You have to do quite little bit more practice you have to do. Apart from it, I asked to you about the Playwright test framework. So what is the use of the Playwright configurations file? So Playwright config file is the main heart of the Playwright, where we can define the all configurations of an automation, where we can define the all parameters like including retry, which browser we have to use, when we have to take a screenshot, when we have to take a video, like a lot of parameters we can define, like parallel execution. So this parameter you have to tell them properly in an interview. Apart from it, you have to explain it nicely. What are the hooks are available, what are the features are available. So you have to explain it properly. This is what my expectation is. Okay, so this is my feedback, and apart from it, the further thing you have to prepare well. So whatever I taught you, read it properly, prepared by yourself properly, and do practice more and more. Because right now I haven't asked you asked you to write down the single line of code, because you are just stuck in the basic concepts. So just clear those things and then we'll proceed further. Okay. Any other questions do you have, Prasad?
No, sir.
Okay, then best of luck. See you soon, probably on the next interview. Okay. All right.
Thank
Great.
you, sir.
Have a great day. Bye.
That's it.